Hi friends, it's Miss Precy here. Today in math, we're going to use coins to make a dollar. So I'm going to flip this around and let's begin. So remember, last week in math, we talked about problem solving. We acted it out to solve a problem. This week in math, we're going to use coins to make $1. So remember, the value of a dollar is 100 cents. A dollar is written as this. This is how you write a dollar. Here's the symbol for a dollar. It's the number 1, a decimal point, and 2 zeros. This is what our dollar bill looks like. Now remember, you can use different coins to make $1. Again, we talked about this last week. The value of a quarter is 25 cents, a dime is 10 cents, a nickel is 5 cents, and a penny is 1 cent. You can find the value of a group of coins by adding the values of the coins, starting with the coin that has the greatest value. Let's go over our essential question. This was one of our questions for last week, and we're going to continue with it. It says, how do I count and use money? Remember, we count money by starting to sort out our coins by size and value. Put all your quarters together, all your dimes together, all your nickels, and all of your pennies. How do we use our money? Again, we talked about saving it, putting in a bank. We talked about spending it on things that you need and want. Invest it. You can watch your money grow, or you can give it away. You could share your blessing with others who might not have it, or donate it to a charity. What you should be able to do is to count to find the value of some coins. So I'm going to come over here, and I want you to look at all my coins here. Now, let's count this out together. I have a quarter is 50 cents. I'm going to turn this over. Another quarter makes that, so it's 25 plus another quarter is 50. 50 plus a dime is 60, plus another dime is 70, plus another dime is 80, plus another dime is 90. However, we want to count the coins to make $1. So we have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. How many more coins do I need to make a dollar? You know what? I'm going to come over here and I'm going to find a nickel and another nickel. So let's count now. Let's see what we have. So 2 quarters equals 50 cents, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, $1. That's equal to this $1 bill right here. Now I'm going to put this back. If I were to take away these 2 nickels that equal 10 cents, I could replace it with a dime. And that would still give me $1. Let's count to make sure. So we have 2 quarters, that's 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $1. So remember, we're using coins to make a dollar. Now I'd like to model the math with you today. So let's do a problem together here. Okay, so we're going to use our coins to make a dollar. We just did that once. Now I'm going to take my trusty dollar bill here. I'm just going to move this aside, and I'm going to show you my dollar bill right here. I have all these coins all over. So here's my dollar bill. What do you notice about my dollar bill? Yes, if you said George Washington is on the front, you are correct. Now, who could tell me something else? What else do you notice? What's in the corner? Yes, the number 1 is on all 4 sides. So George Washington is on the front, and we have the number 1 is in all the corners. Now, I'm going to fold this bill in half, just like so. If you want to do this at home as well after, you can replay this. So here's my dollar bill. I folded it in half. What coin do you need 4 of to make a dollar? So here's my 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. What coin do you need to make 4 of? So I'm going to go back to my coins here. I know that I need quarters. So I'm going to grab 4 quarters. That's 3. Here's another one, 4. I'm going to come back here. So I'm going to take my 4 quarters and I'm going to place them under my bill. That's 25. Plus another 25 is 50. Plus another 25 is 75. Plus another 25 is $1. So those 4 quarters equal $1. Now, how many, let's go over here. What is this? What coin is this? Yes, this is a dime. How many of these dimes do I need to make $1? Let's go over here. Let's count with me. So I'm going to count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $1. But now I need to count to see how many of those equal to $1. Wow, this is a lot more than my quarters. 4 quarters equal to $1. Now let me see how many dimes I have equals $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 dimes equal $1. 4 quarters equal $1. Now let's go to my trusty, what coin is this, friends? Yes, if you said the nickel, you are correct. I don't know, how many of these do you think we need to make $1? Let's count. I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Oh my goodness, that's a lot. I barely fit them in my hand. Okay, so remember, we are using coins to make $1. This is the dollar symbol. It looks like the letter S with 2 lines. It's the number 1, a decimal point, and 2 zeros. So 4 quarters equal to $1. 10 dimes equal to $1. Now I have all these nickels. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow. So that's double the amount of my dimes. So 4 quarters equal $1. 10 dimes equal $1. 20 nickels equal $1. Now we're left with my trusty shiny penny. How many of these do you think will equal $1, friends? Yes, if you said 100 pennies, you're correct. Oops, I'm not going to count that out. But so we know that that's 100. So what you're going to do today in math, remember, this week in math, we are using coins to make $1. You're going to log on to your YouTube account. You are going to listen to a song on ways to make $1. Then you're going to watch a Brain Pop Jr. video, take a quiz. You'll listen to another song on YouTube, and then you'll complete workbook page 509. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.